Hello, let me to walk you through how to access in-app notification settings for Facebook. Now, this is usually on Samsung. From the home page here of my Samsung phone, I'm going to click on Facebook, but I'm going to hold it down. So we have options here. Click on the information icon at the top here, and then it takes me to my app information. So scroll down, you see there's no in-app notification, so you click on notification at the top. So you see secure notification, then you see in-app notification settings, click on it, and then you can see all the notification settings, and you can change whichever one you want. You want videos to show, the groups, the birthdays, fundraiser, everything. And if what you're looking for is not here, you can click on all the notifications at the bottom here, and then you can see notifications for app or game requests, breaking news, restaurants that might be near you, expiring offers, and more. So that's it. So you can receive this notification by clicking on push if you don't want them on markets like this. It's simple. Then you want to allow notification on this kind of notifications on Facebook, you can leave it on. If you don't, you mark it like that. Turn it off, and that's it.